Good morning children. Today we are going to do revision worksheet 5. Complete the poem using the brackets given below. Sit, wish, kite, sky, ride, breeze, wave, blow. अभी ये जो पोयम है ब्रैकेट में हमने यहाँ पे दी गई है, तो हमें क्या करना है, हमें ब्रैकेट में से वर्ड्स लेने हैं और ये जो ब्लैंक्स है उसमें हमें ये वर्ड्स सिलेक्ट करके लिखने हैं. सो शैल वी स्टार्ट. द पोएम ओवर हियर इज अबाउट द ए kite. Now you can see in the brackets the words are given. Sit, wish, kite, sky, ride, breeze, wave, blow. Now here I have given in the bracket, that is the underline one. What is it is called? It is called underline. Now these are the blanks. In these blanks we have to select the correct words from the bracket. So shall we start? Okay. I often dash and dash that I. So I often sit. I will write over here sit. And wish that I could be a dash up in the dash. So kite and up in the sky. So kite and sky is underlined. We have to write the words from the bracket and fill up the blanks. And dash up on the dash and go. So ride we will write over here in the blank, and the second blank is about the breeze. So we will write breeze over here. Whichever dash I chance to dash. So way and blow. So way is underlined as a blank. So way will come. I chance to blow. So blow we have to underline over here, and blank is given and we have to write over here blow. See, once again we will read the poem. Over here in the bracket which I have marked is a blank over there. I dash and dash. So I have written I often sit and wish that I could be a dash up in the dash. So I could be a kite up in the sky and dash up on the dash and go, and ride up on the breeze and go. Whichever way I chance to dash, that is the blow. Whichever way I chance to blow. So dear children, I hope how you will do this exercise. You have to complete the poem using the brackets given below. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Write T for true and F for false in the sentences. Okay, so one number. The kite flies high up in the sky. So what will you write over here? Do you remember the poem A Kite? Yes, children. So we'll write over here true. T-R-U-E, true. What is the answer over here? T-R-U-E, true. 2 number. The breeze blows in whichever it gets chance to. So this is also true, right? The breeze blow na, in whichever the chance it wish to. 3 number. The child wished to be a kite. So this is also true. The child wished to be a kite. The child wished to be a kite. 4 number. The child does not wishes to ride upon the breeze. Now this is correct? No. The child wished to rise with the breeze. So this is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. So once again we will write over here, children. Read. Write T for true and F for false sentences. The kite flies high up in the sky. True. The breeze blows in whichever way it gets chance to. So this is also true. 3 number. The child wished to be a kite. True. 4 number. The child does not wishes to ride upon the breeze. So this is false. The child wished to, right? Now we'll go to the missing letters. Write the missing letters. Number 1, R dash D dash. So RODE, road. 2 number, OF dash dash N. So OFTEN, often. 3 number, BL dash dash. So BLOW, blow. 4 number, W dash dash H. WISH, wish. 5 number, BR dash dash Z dash. So BREEZE, breeze. 6 number, W dash way. WAY, way. 7 number, CH dash and C dash D. CHANCED, chanced. 8 number, CH dash dash LD. COULD, could. COULD, could. 9 number, S dash T. So SIT, sit. 10 number, S dash Y. So SKY, sky. So dear children, once again we will do write the missing letters. Write the missing letters. RODE, road. OFTEN, often. BLOW, blow. WISH, wish. BREEZE, breeze. WAY, way. CHANCED, chance. COULD, could. SIT, sit. SKY, sky. So dear children, I hope you have understood the worksheet of the revision. Complete this work in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.